Hello everyone! So Mattils here, and for today, ang gagawin lang natin ay magsasolve lang tayo ng isang derivative problem na which is derivative of 1 over x squared. So mapapansin natin na meron tayong fraction form. And ang ginagawa natin sa fraction form na ganyan, kung mababalikan lang natin yung mga laws of exponent. So kapag ang exponent natin ay x raised to negative n, it is equivalent to 1 over x raised to n. So makikita natin dyan na nasa baba lang yung exponent and then ginawa siyang denominator tapos positive na siya. So the samely, pwede nating i-apply itong transformation na to with this expression. So makikita natin na meron tayong 1 over x squared. So pwede natin siyang gawing x raised to negative 2. So ayan. Etong 1 over x squared, pwede natin siyang gawing x raised to negative 2. So, meron tayong derivative ng x raised to negative 2. So, ayan. So, pwede na natin ma-apply yung power rule sa ating derivative. So, meron tayong derivative of x raised to n is equal to n and then x raised to n minus 1. So, meron tayo dyang pwede natin apply. We have the negative 2 x raised to negative 2 minus 1. So, in this part, we have this negative 2 times x and then negative 2 minus 1, we have negative 3. So, etong x negative 3, pwede natin siyang ibaba sa denominator para maging positive yung ating exponent. So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng negative 2 over x cubed. So therefore, the derivative of 1 over x squared is equal to negative 2 over x cubed. So this is our final answer.